Hello, Homespot friends. Have you ever looked at a pile of fallen branches and seen a work of art just waiting to happen? Today, we are turning that backyard clutter into pure garden magic. I am going to show you incredible, low-cost ways to transform ordinary twigs into stunning, nature-themed sculptures that will bring your outdoor space to life. Let's get creative. Let's start with a charming addition to any tree stump, the Rustic Twig Owl. For this project, you will need a thick, textured log section for the body and 2 large wood slices to create those signature wide eyes. The key is embracing the natural imperfections of the bark to give your owl unique character. It is a simple yet expressive piece that watches over your garden, instantly adding a touch of woodland wisdom and handmade magic to your favorite outdoor corner. Channel your inner architect with a miniature log cabin, perfect for creating a hidden fairy village at the base of an old oak tree. By stacking uniform, small sticks with precision, you can build a tiny structure complete with a pitched roof made of bark strips. This project evokes a strong sense of nostalgia and wonder, inviting anyone who looks closely to imagine the tiny creatures that might live inside. It is a fantastic way to use up those smaller, straight twig offcuts. If you have a collection of short, sharp twigs, this Twig Hedgehog is the perfect project. The goal is to bundle these small sticks tightly together to replicate the prickly texture of a hedgehog's back. Contrast this rough texture with a smooth piece of driftwood for the face to make it look friendly rather than dangerous. Nestled into the grass or peeking out from under a bush, this little creature adds a playful and organic element to your garden. For those of you with a bird bath or a small pond, this floating twig raft adds a lovely interactive element. Lash small, dry sticks together using natural twine to create a buoyant platform, and finish it off with a single green leaf as a sail. Watching this tiny vessel bob gently on the water is incredibly relaxing. It is a simple construction that celebrates the physics of nature, turning a static water feature into a dynamic scene of exploration. For a more contemporary look, try building a geometric twig orb. This involves interlocking various small, straight sticks in a random, yet structural manner to form a spherical tumbleweed shape. The beauty of this sculpture lies in its chaotic complexity and the intricate shadows it casts on a patio or wall when the sun hits it. It is a modern twist on rustic decor, proving that fallen branches can be transformed into sophisticated art pieces that act as focal points in structured gardens. Add movement and fun to your lawn with this flexible wood slice caterpillar. By connecting several small, circular branch cuts with a hidden wire spine, you create a segmented body that can curve and wind through the grass. Paint a simple face on the front slice to bring it to life. This project is especially great for families, as it creates a friendly, bug-like character that seems to be crawling right out of the garden, bringing a smile to everyone who sees it. Capture the elegance of wildlife with a standing deer figure. Nature often provides the perfect shapes, so look for Y-shaped branches to serve as the legs and antlers. By assembling these onto a thicker log body, you can create a recognizable four-legged silhouette that stands proudly among your shrubs. This sculpture harmonizes perfectly with the outdoor environment, offering a quiet and realistic tribute to the animals that roam the woods, making your garden feel like a true wildlife sanctuary. Celebrate the nurturing side of nature by weaving a faux bird nest. Using messy, tangled twigs and dried vines, form a tight bowl shape that looks just like the real thing. To complete the illusion, place 3 smooth stones painted to resemble eggs inside the nest, wedged into the crook of a tree branch. This piece is a subtle discovery for guests. It represents new life and home, blending so seamlessly with the tree that it looks like it has always been. Embrace the slightly spooky but beautiful side of nature with a spiderweb frame. Construct a triangular or square frame from sturdy branches and weave white string or twine inside to mimic a radial web pattern. When hung from a low tree limb, the string catches the morning light and dew, glowing against the darker background. It is a captivating piece of art that highlights the geometry of nature, perfect for adding a bit of mystery and intricate detail to a quiet garden corner. Lighten up your flower pots with a delicate butterfly silhouette. Use flexible green wood that bends easily to form 2 loop shapes for wings and attach them to a central stick body. The open loops allow sunlight to pass through, casting beautiful butterfly-shaped shadows on the ground below. This project is all about simplicity and capturing the essence of a butterfly without needing complex details. It is a cheerful, airy addition that perfectly complements blooming flowers and sunny days. Slow down the pace of your garden design with a sturdy garden turtle. Find a large, rounded wood burl or a rock covered in bark to act as the shell, and attach 4 short, stout stick legs underneath. This low-profile sculpture looks incredibly grounded and permanent, as if it is slowly making its way across your stone path. It adds a sense of weight and stability to your decor, reminding us to appreciate the slow, steady growth of nature in our own backyards. Bring a nautical theme to your outdoor space with a fishbone mobile. Arrange sticks of decreasing length along a central vertical spine to mimic the skeletal structure of a fish. When hung from a tree branch, the wind catches the bones, creating gentle movement and a soothing clacking sound. It is a playful, abstract representation of aquatic life that works surprisingly well in a garden setting, bridging the gap between the forest and the sea with its driftwood-inspired aesthetic. Play with scale by creating a marching ant parade along a garden log. These tiny sculptures use nuts or wooden beads for body segments and fine wire or thin twigs for legs. By arranging a whole line of them, you tell a story of industry and teamwork right on your garden floor. It is a macro-world detail that rewards those who stop and look closely, adding a layer of narrative and humor to the natural textures of moss and bark. Finally, create a bloom that never fades with a wooden flower bouquet. By carving the tips of branches to curl like petals or gluing pinecone scales to the ends, you can simulate rustic flowers. Arrange these in a metal bucket on your patio table for a centerpiece that lasts all year round. The warm tones of the wood glow in the golden hour light, offering a rustic, everlasting alternative to fresh flowers that captures the enduring beauty of the trees they came from. And there you have it, unique ways to turn nature's leftovers into beautiful garden treasures. From rustic owls to whimsical snail shells, these projects prove that you do not need to spend a fortune to have a magical backyard. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment with your favorite sculpture, And do not forget to subscribe to Homespot for more creative DIY inspiration. Happy gardening!